Welcome to another Vinopsis edition with the latest financial updates. U.S. stock markets followed Europe down with major indexes closing lower. Let's turn to Robin for more of the top stories moving the markets.
World stocks mostly enjoyed an up day. Major U.S. stock indexes closed down. The S&P 500 retreated 0.7% after Federal Reserve minutes of its July meetings showed concerns about inflation revving back up. Asia's markets closed mixed, with Tokyo rising 0.4% and stocks in China finishing 0.3% lower. Europe markets also retreated, with the regional stocks 600 index retreating 0.2%, while the UK's FTSE 100 retreated 0.4%. Europe ended today's session widely down, with none of its main markets recording a gain, as the Euro Stoxx 600 fell 0.2%. The Milan FTSE MIB was the laggard, with a noteworthy loss of 2.1%, while the London FTSE 100 recorded the smallest loss, of only 0.4%. Also of interest, the Frankfurt DAX 30 ended with a 1.1% drop. European markets have already closed. The S&P 500 lost 0.7% today, with healthcare and energy its only sectors that ended in the green, gaining 0.4% and 0.15% respectively. The basic materials sector led the losses, with a 1.2% fall, followed by financial stocks, which lost 1.1%. Moving on to sovereign debt. The yield on the benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4%, after a decline of 3 basis points over the past week, and a 5 basis points drop today, amid Fed rate fears. Today's most notable move is that of the Germany 10-year government bond, with its yield retreating 13 basis points. The note currently yields 2.5%, following a weekly decline of 9 basis points. On our special stock report, 113 of the S&P 500 stocks ended today's session in the green. The top movers were Eli Lilly, which rallied 14%, Organon & Company with a 9% jump, and Dish Network, which popped 9%. Eli Lilly's move brought its price to $519, breaking its 52-week high, as it recorded 3 days in a row of advances. 82 of the Nasdaq 100 stocks ended today's session in the red. The top losers were Dexcom, which dived 10%, ZS, with a 5.5% slump, and CrowdStrike, which slid 4%. Dexcom's move brought its price to $108.60, breaking its 16-week low.
Thanks for joining us. We hope you enjoyed your latest edition. Don't miss out on our coming updates with what you need to know for great portfolio returns.